The spring events are an opportunity for all big local areas to come together, to share experiences, to learn from each other, to find out what's going on nationally and what's happening in different big local areas. In the last year, many more big local areas have identified the things they want to do and are starting to do it. And I think our spring events this year will give us a real flavour of where big local areas are at today.
The workshops that are running today, there's lots of great examples from big local areas about how they've set up a community choir, about how they've taken ownership of a building, things like that. And then there's also workshops being run by the training providers that are working with local trust around how to set up a community event and so on.
We've just had our first 3-year plan approved. The session we just had, where we've learnt about how to plan events, has been very helpful. We need to plan events soon, so those sort of things will really help us.
It's going really well. I think it's good to see that you're doing things that are similar, but I think it should also give you the courage to try something new, maybe something you haven't heard before.
It's been a really good day. The last session we did on working with local media it's been really good because we've spoken to local journalists. It's just that they perhaps haven't promoted it as much as we'd like to. So that was a really good session to attend.
Community's basic nature is that we learn from each other and we support each other. One of the things that we learned from another group was that they started off with a choir, and it was a massive success, and we really want to replicate that. So we have invited them to our area to share and to inspire.
There's a really great buzz in the air. The sun is shining, it's a lovely spring day, and people are recognising each other from past events they've attended, and they're meeting new faces as well. You feel part of the big local programme. You're not on your own in this journey.
There's just been a great vibe, and everyone's just been really friendly and really keen to share experience and ideas about what they're doing, how they're approaching certain projects. For example, the setting up of community hubs. We too are going to be building a community hub in the future, and just sharing that learning together has been really useful.
The sense of community that we're trying to propose within the big local is that people work cohesively together and understand and learn from each other.
I'm proud to be part of it, actually. I think we've achieved quite a lot in the last 2 years, and with the help and guidance of these forums, you can progress even more, because you're always learning.
The thousands of residents that get involved, that give up their time, are doing fantastic work for big local. And a day like today is a chance for us to appreciate what they're doing, to hear what's really easy or what's difficult, and to help them. So I would encourage anybody from a big local area that hasn't yet booked on to one of our events to get in touch with us and come along.